where the luxury meets lunacy. That's the address. And there are certain addresses in India where you need no introduction. And today here I am in one of the most premium, ultra luxurious, extravagant, superly hi-fi, extremely hyped apartments, condominiums of North India. Yes guys, you got it right, DLF Camellias. सुना तो बहुत है लेकिन देखा नहीं। तो हाय गाइस, रुचिका दिस साइड फ्रॉम प्रेस्टो एस्टेट। आज आपकी ये भी ख्वाहिश पूरी की जाती है। आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी DLF Camellias का 150 CR, 120 CR। ये तो बड़ी आम सी बात हो गई है गुड़गांव में। तो आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि यहाँ का अपार्टमेंट लगता कैसे है, दिखता कैसे है। एंड दिस इज़ अ beautiful apartment, beautifully done up apartment done by the owners, and it's a gorgeous one. I'm going to just show you right away. Let's start our house tour. So after doing all the security checkups from the DLF, from the society, from the tower itself, here we come to our lobby area. Just personally accessible to you, to the owners. अगर आप lift में भी enter करते हैं, you have a card entry. Nobody can access to your floor even as well. ये लॉबी एरिया भी हमारा बिल्कुल पर्सनल है, हमारा प्राइवेट है। एंड ऑल्सो गुड थिंग ऑफ कोर्स, इतने जब हाई राइज, इतने प्रीमियम अपार्टमेंट में जब हम आते हैं तो हमारे एक फ्लोर प्लेट पे एक ही अपार्टमेंट होता है। एंड दैट्स द गॉर्जियस अपार्टमेंट। आई एम जस्ट गोना शो यू अराउंड। वनकम। सो गाइज, एज यू ऑल नो कि DLF जब प्रॉपर्टी हैंड ओवर करता है, दैट्स कम्प्लीटली रॉ। तो ये जितना भी खूबसूरत काम आप देख रहे हैं, ये जो आप फर्नीचर देख रहे हैं, फर्निशिंग देख रहे हैं, दैट्स ऑल done up by the owners itself with their personal choices. The area of the house is 9283 square feet. Some convert them into 5 BHK, but particularly this apartment is 4 BHK. Extravagant, supremely huge rooms, drawing, dining, kitchen. It's massive, it's huge. Walking down from this area, I'll take you to the dining of the house. That's in the front of the house with a beautiful view. ये view तो हम सब ने देख लिया यार, इतनी रील्स वायरल हुई है Camellias की, इसकी गोल्फ क्लब की। This is huge, this is amazing. So this is going to be सबने, not every apartment is same because everyone has different choices, different concepts, different priorities of the house. So let me just start with this beautiful house. फर्नीचर की क्वालिटी यार आप समझ सकते हो, जब 120 करोड़ का एक घर होगा तो मैं तो बताऊंगी भी नहीं कि क्या फर्नीचर, क्या मार्बल, क्या लाइटनिंग। सो इट इज़ गोना बी ऑफ द मोस्ट अटमोस्ट प्रीमियम क्वालिटी। द वर्क है, द फर्नीचर है, एवरीथिंग। सो ये तो मैं बिल्कुल भी मेंशन नहीं करने वाली। आई एम जस्ट गोना शो यू द हाउस अराउंड। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस एरिया। हाउ gorgeously the corners of the house have been used. That's your coffee table. You two people just sip up your coffee in this amazing view. Then comes your bar area. Beautiful bar area. ठीक है, तो ये आता है हमारा bar area with all your furniture done up. Then comes your drawing area. It's such a huge drawing that 2 separate sections have been created for them with amazing furniture. Of course, color combinations have been kept very nude and neutral throughout the house. Very warmth, lights, furniture, fixing, everything is just so amazing. So ये हमारा एक drawing area है. Then comes your another drawing area with your firework there. And attached to it is the most viral balcony and the view of Camellias. Come, let me show you. So that's your extremely huge balcony we have attached with the drawing room and one of the bedroom. So, and of course the view is all worth living for. Connecting our drawing, our bar, our coffee area is our beautiful, amazing dining area, huge dining area, 12-seater dining area. Even then, after 12-seater, it has a lot of space. सब कुछ आपको as it is मिलेगा, एक शो पीस, एक फर्नीचर का पीस, and it's a brand new apartment. You guys should come and live in it. Just adjacent to our dining is our kitchen, huge kitchen. Let me show you. Wow guys, this is huge, this is massive. I mean अभी तक हमने 1000 गज, 800 गज, 500 गज की किचन शूट किया, but this was not the kitchen size we have seen it ever. Very huge, Okay, let me show you this amazing kitchen around. सारे घर में of course definitely the air conditions have been installed. VRV is there. ये हमारा double door refrigerator. Lot of vanity, lot of spaces, lot of cupboards and इतना extra space है. Also we have a second entry to the house जहाँ पे हमारी kitchen connected है and we have a servant rooms, 2 servant room attached to the kitchen itself. So that is also one of the must thing you must watch. ये हमारा washing area, utility area and then we have two our क्लोथिंग एरिया एंड 2 सर्वेंट रूम्स विच वी हैव. इसीलिए सर्वेंट रूम यहाँ पे हैं तो हमारी किचन से अलग एक डोर है, अलग एक प्राइवेट हमारा स्पेस है एंड देन वी हैव अ सेपरेट एंट्री एज वेल टू द अपार्टमेंट. After covering the amazing, beautifully done up drawing, dining, bar, coffee, kitchen, now I'll take you to the bedrooms and also before that, a must in every house, that's going to be our powder room. Let's start with the first bedroom that's just bang on opposite our kitchen. Gorgeous is the word. पता नहीं कितनी बार यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. बहुत अमेजिंग फर्निशिंग हुई है घर की. मैंने जैसे कहा था क्या द playful mind of those subtle colors throughout the house is amazing. So this is going to be our first bedroom, as good as a master bedroom, but master bedroom is super huge. So ये हमारा बेड बैग है, बहुत अमेजिंग से कलर हैं, कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं. बेडरूम के बाद आता है हमारा walk-in wardrobe with lots of wardrobe and your dressing are out here, separate area out here, and then I'm going to show you washroom as beautiful, as amazing as the whole house is. This is going to be your shower panel area, your basins, your jacuzzi, your WC seats. मैं तो फिर वही बोलूँगी कि मैं तो किसी भी ब्रांड के बारे में I'm not gonna tell you because this is the most premium thing you will ever find out. इस बेडरूम के साथ आपको मिलेगी आपकी बैल्कनी अटैच, जो मैंने आपको फ्रंट से भी दिखाई थी, जो आपको ड्राइंग में भी कनेक्ट करती है. ह्यूज बैल्कनी विद एन अमेजिंग व्यू. After covering the front of the house, that's the back of the house. Super huge. अगर आप देखेंगे स्पेसिंग बहुत अच्छी यूटिलाइज की है. That's our lobby area and इसी एरिया में हमारा एक छोटा सा मंदिर क्रिएट किया गया है. खूबसूरत सा मंदिर जो हर घर की ज़रूरत है, नेसेसिटी है. घर बड़ा हो या छोटा, लेकिन आपकी आस्था, आपकी पूजा आपके साथ रहनी चाहिए. Let me show you the master bedroom of this house. ये वाले रूम में आके ना बहुत ही होटल वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. सो एज वी हैव आवर सेपरेट सिटिंग, ब्यूटीफुल सेपरेट सिटिंग विद ऑल योर, मतलब मैं वॉल वर्क, वुड वर्क, सारी वॉल्स, क्या ब्यूटीफुल इट हैज़ बीन डन. सो दिस इज़ गोना बी आवर कन्वर्टेबल टीवी एरिया, योर लाउंज केस. ये है हमारा मास्टर बेडरूम, आवर बेड एरिया विद ऑल योर फर्नीचर. आपको तो कुछ भी नहीं लाना यार, सिर्फ कपड़े लाने अपने एंड यू आर रेडी टू गो, सेट टू गो. यहाँ पे भी आपकी कबर्ड है एंड अंदर भी आपकी बहुत सारी कबर्ड है. वॉशरूम दिखाने से पहले मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ इस बेडरूम की पर्सनल बैल्कनी. सो दिस इज़ योर प्राइवेट बैल्कनी ऑफ योर मास्टर बेडरूम. इसके साथ कोई रूम, कोई ड्राइंग, नथिंग इज अटैच टू इट. सो यू हैव योर पर्सनल एक्सेस टू इट एंड ऑफ कोर्स अगेन द अमेजिंग व्यू विद इट. मास्टर बेडरूम का मास्टर वॉशरूम, beautifully done up, so perfectly done up. Lots and lots of cupboards, your walking wardrobe, your dressing area, lots of cupboards inside. बाहर भी bedroom में थे and यहाँ पे भी it's a huge area joining it with your washroom, your WC, your shower panel area, your separate shower panel area, your double sink, of course your jacuzzi as well. Apartment में इतनी facilities हैं and then you know how the DLF Camellias Club is. You know, it's all worth the price and hype. You're living it and you're spending it. On that side was my master bedroom, my 2 master bedrooms. At the back of me are 2 bedrooms which are going to be your kids room, your guest room. Very spacious, very well done up. Running wall, of course, is a concept we'll always love. Now that's going to be our 3rd bedroom. अपार्टमेंट्स हैं और हर रूम के साथ हमारी बैल्कनी अटैच ना हो और एक व्यू ना हो, वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Very cozy, very well done. If you even see the POP work which has been done, the fall ceiling work, the wood work, the almiras, the padding, everything is just so perfect. Beautiful, again, lovely washroom, nice concept, basic colors have been played, giving this house a very warm, very rich and a very elegant look. Attached to it is the balcony again with a different view of Golf Course Road. Welcome to the fourth and the last bedroom of this house. Again, very well done up, very nicely done up with your cupboard inside the bedroom. Fall ceiling यहाँ पे भी बहुत अच्छी अमेजिंग सी है. इन दो bedrooms के साथ हमें मिलेगा Golf Course Road का view. Beautiful washroom, huge, super spacious washroom with your separate shower panel area, your separate WC area, and of course your double sinks are the most trending thing right now. And I'll just show you the view around here. The front of the house was showing us the golf view, the park view, the inside view of DLF Club and Camellias. This is another very amazing view of Golf Course Road. So, you know, आगे देखो, पीछे देखो, ऊपर देखो, नीचे देखो. This is just luxury around. (9,548 square feet, pure space of luxury, elegance, richness, and of course the address itself, DLF Camellias. We have this in store for you for your rent, for your rental purpose. As I showed you around the whole house, fully furnished, all you need to do is pack up your clothes and just get into this amazing house, beautifully done up house with a skyline view of something we all dream of. So this particular grade of floor is available for you. You can just rent this out, this amazing house, and वो rent मैं आपको तब message करूँगी जब आप मुझे DM करेंगे या आप मेरे comment section में लिखेंगे. Presto Estates have so many options for you to buy, to rent, to whatever guys, but you should not be missing upon this luxury at all. 7424001000 is the number you should contact to have the details for this house and many other options we have in store for you. Presto Estates signing off for now till we meet in our next video.